This is Jacob's Academy. My name is Bossen. I'm here with Daryl and Elizabeth, and we're here at the Unity Center. The Brent Council has organized this event for the Knife Crime Awareness Week, which is an initiative by Ben Kinsella Trust. And we, as Jacob's Academy, are here to show how our workshops and other activities help in prevention of knife crime in the community.
So that is through empowering, through education and mentorship. Education is very important. They also need mentors in order to grow, to thrive as adults.
A lot of vocational training is achieved. We've done carpentry, we've done tiling, we have painting and decorating, software development. We've had professionals from different areas, different walks of life, and they've all contributed to different types of workshops that we've been able to set up.